The human cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life in the human body. Comprising various specialized organelles, it carries out essential biological processes such as energy production, protein synthesis, and genetic information transmission. Understanding the intricacies of the human cell is fundamental in comprehending the fundamental workings of the human body. Enclosed by a double membrane known as the nuclear envelope, the nucleus is the repository of the cell's genetic information. It houses DNA in the form of chromatin and is the site where DNA is transcribed into RNA. The nucleus also contains the nucleolus, where ribosomal RNA is synthesized and ribosome assembly begins. The cytoplasm is the area of the cell outside the nucleus and is the site of numerous metabolic reactions. It provides a platform for most of the cell's biochemical processes. Within it, the cytosol is the liquid matrix that allows for the diffusion of molecules throughout the cell and contains the cytoskeleton and organelles, excluding the nucleus. Mitochondria have an outer membrane that encloses the entire structure and an inner membrane that folds inward to form cristae. These organelles are where most cellular ATP is produced during the process of oxidative phosphorylation. Mitochondria also play a key role in the induction of apoptosis by releasing pro-apoptotic factors into the cytosol. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with ribosomes and is primarily involved in the synthesis of proteins destined for secretion or for use in the cell membrane. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes and is associated with lipid synthesis, metabolism of carbohydrates, detoxification of drugs and poisons, and storage of calcium ions. Composed of a series of pancake-like membranes called cisternae, the Golgi apparatus receives proteins and lipids from the ER, modifies them by adding sugar groups in a process known as glycosylation, for example, and then packages them into vesicles that are shipped to their destination. The cytoskeleton is made up of microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. It helps the cell maintain its shape, provides support for cellular structures, and is involved in various forms of cellular movement, including the movement of vesicles within the cell. Ribosomes are composed of ribosomal RNA and protein. They can be free-floating in the cytosol or bound to the ER, forming what's called the rough ER. Free ribosomes typically synthesize proteins that will function within the cytosol, while bound ribosomes mainly synthesize proteins that are exported from the cell or included in its membranes. This flexible, sturdy barrier surrounds the cytoplasm of a cell, consisting of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. It is involved in a variety of cellular processes such as cell communication, endocytosis, and exocytosis. The plasma membrane also plays a key role in cell signaling and recognition due to the presence of various receptors and antigens. The centrosome is a region in the cell where microtubules are produced. Within the centrosome, a pair of centrioles are found perpendicular to each other. They play a pivotal role during cell division by helping to organize the microtubule assembly and contribute to the formation of the spindle fibers that segregate chromosomes between daughter cells.